challenges facing blood donation in Nigeria. So let's hear their suggestions. Let's see the suggestion. This is the most interesting aspect of UI/UX design, especially the user experience. You want to understand what the problem really is and how you can attack it by designing an appropriate application for them. So the person said that misconception about blood donation. If this were to be a physical explanation or a physical interview, we would have asked that, what do you mean by misconception? What are the examples of misconceptions? And that's why, as a UI/UX designer, you need to be very, very detailed about how you're getting information from people. Because just like this is our first class, right? So it's normal for us to have this type of issues. Some of us don't know how to ask questions yet. But from this application now, when you go back and forth and you can see that you cannot answer some questions, you know how to ask questions next time. So now someone said misconception about blood donation, low rate of blood drives for donors in local community. So this particular information is not very, very detailed, right? So we want to know more, we want to understand more, but it's fine because this is just a demo design. Let's just accept it that we understand what it means. So somebody said that not enough donors. Another person said not enough blood banks, ignorance of the public about the exercise, right? So one of the solutions that our application is going to be solving is actually helping people to understand the real truth about blood donation. Some people feel that a woman should not donate blood because every month we usually shed blood, right? So some people will be like, don't go and donate your blood because now you're going to be having your this time around, so don't donate blood. If not, you just become slim, be healthy, and all of those things. And all of those things are just misconception. It's not true, right? So we want to give people the proper information about it. Let's move to the next one, which you have 28. So if you really want to have a complete evaluation, I would advise you to make calls to ask questions. Do this in the hard way so that you can have better and better application that your recruiter will be proud of. So have you donated before? A lot of people say no. Yes. How recent? In less than a year. So how good was the good? It feels good. Was good? Nah. Do you understand? So now the truth is that the system is improving. Why some people are having bad experience, people are actually enjoying it. So people that are not enjoying it want to understand, why are they not enjoying this thing? You understand? I haven't had need to. So you give them option. I think he gave them option. Okay. Yeah, because I know that people cannot just have the same answers like that, except giving them. So how have your family member ever needed blood before? Yes, no. Yes, no. All right, great. So how long did it take to find a donor? 1 to 5 hours, more than a day. 12 to 24 hours, 1 to 5 hours, more than a day, 5 to 12 hours, 5 to 12 hours, right? So the time delay is actually is an issue, right? It's a very, very, very big issue here. So we need to understand that. How can we build? So our one of the major problems our application is solving is, how can we build an application that is going to help us to have a lot of blood in the blood donor, in the blood bank? Number one. Number two, how can we connect ASAP with someone that have a particular blood? So that means that there's going to be a search button that is going to help us to search out people in the locality, right? So we want to quickly get donors, right? We really want to get people with sample of blood, such that in fact when we are looking for AA blood, I'm not sure that's how they look for blood here. But let's assume they're looking for AA blood. We should be able to view the profile of people using our application and quickly message every one of them via their email, via the WhatsApp, via everything that, or somebody is actually in need of a blood. We don't know if you're available for this, you'll be saving 5 lives if you do this. You understand? That is a solution. But that might not be what you are going to be working with. You might have another idea.